Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. As I mentioned in the previous part, we're going to take a short break from programming now and have a look at the game assets that will be used in the app. There will be some graphics and sounds in the app. You can grab the files from GitHub. Let's start with the graphics. So, visual game assets, the images. We're gonna need some images. Let's have a look at them now. First of all, the racetrack. Here it is. The first image we need is the racetrack, on which the slugs will be running. This is a 1000 by 200 pixel image. We will place it in the background. On top of it will be the slugs and some text. Now the slugs. We definitely need the slugs. Actually, we need each slug in two versions. A silhouette, like here, which will be visible when the slug wins a race, and a top view of the slug, which you will see on the racetrack. Now the silhouettes. Now with the silhouettes it's simple. Each slug has a corresponding image. Here they are. This is the first slug, Speedster. This is the second slug, Trusty. This is the third slug, Iffy. And the fourth slug, Slowpoke. We'll also need an image with all four slugs, which we'll use as a background decoration on one of the screens later in the game. Here it is. Now, as far as the top views are concerned, we'll need two images for each slug, one for the body and one for the eye, along with the tentacle it's on. This is because the tentacles, to which we're going to refer as eyes from now on for the sake of simplicity, are going to be moving parts. They'll be attached to the bodies and animated later in the project. Here are the images: Speedster body, Speedster eye, Trusty body, Trusty eye, Iffy body, Iffy eye, Slowpoke body, Slowpoke eye. Now the accidents. As you know, the slugs will be racing along the track, but what you probably don't know yet is that they're going to suffer from some accidents from time to time, or to be more precise, not necessarily suffer, because some accidents will be pretty convenient for them and will help them win the race. Anyways, we're gonna discuss all the accidents later on, not so soon to tell the truth, but now let's just have a look at the visual game assets that we're gonna use for the accidents. First of all, we'll need a separate image for each slug for the broken leg accident. So, here is the image for Speedster with a broken leg, Trusty with a broken leg, Iffy and Slowpoke with a broken leg. Now for the other accidents, we'll just use generic images that will be used with all four slugs. Here are the visual game assets we'll be using with the accidents. Here we have electroshock, here we have grass, heart attack, overheat, puddle, and slug monster. Then we have button images. The last two visual game assets we'll need are the images that will be put on the toggle button, which will mute and unmute sound during the game. Here they are: sound on and sound off. Then we have some audio game assets, the sounds. We're gonna add some sounds to the game. A game with sounds seems more complete to me. So first of all, there will be some effects, like for example when the game is over. There will also be slug sound effects. So there will be some sound effects used by the slugs when they win. Each slug will produce a slightly different sound so that you can tell all the slugs apart by their sound after you get used to them. Then we'll have sounds for the accidents. So when an accident happens, there will be a sound effect to accompany the visual effect of the accident. As mentioned before, you can find all the game assets, both images and sounds, on GitHub. So you can grab them from there and save them in your project folder. But wait a minute, you don't have a project folder yet. Yes, that's right. We're gonna create the project folder in the next part and then download the assets to it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.